So we're gonna get prepared here. Try this Cuban sandwich out. I've been wanting to try it for a long time. Bread looks good, good texture. Let's try it out. Really good. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. And today we're in Tampa, or more specifically, we're in Ybor City. And we're gonna go check out Ybor City. Not the poppin' nightlife like it normally is, because we are dealing with the pandemic times, but the thing that I'm popping off for, that I want, is a good Cuban sandwich. So we're gonna get a good Cuban sandwich tonight, and we're gonna walk around and we're gonna check out Ybor City in Tampa. So let's go. During pandemic times, not busy on a Friday night, but Ybor City is known for its nightlife and its celebration of Cuban and Latin American heritage, with eateries, restaurants, bakeries, many shops, also cigar shops everywhere, including an Ybor City State Museum exhibit on all about the cigar industry, which is huge in Ybor City, where you can go in and you can watch in many shops around them hand-make cigars, because it's a big industry here in Ybor City. And hunting down the Cuban sandwich, we've arrived at the Tampa Bay Brewing Company. As you can see, I don't know if you can get a good view of the kegs on the inside. The Tampa Bay Brewing Company is actually a big beer company here in the Tampa Bay area, statewide. Really nice little bar here. And there goes the kegs on the inside. They specialize in doing many IPAs and APAs. That's their focus. Mostly juicy beers, but when you're in the state of Florida, there's fresh fruit everywhere. So, like I said, it's a really nice little restaurant, little bar area. There goes the Cuban sandwich. It's got pulled pork, it's got ham, it's got cheese. It comes with beans and rice. I subbed the beans and rice for sweet potato fries because I am not a bean eater. I know a lot of people may get it the way it comes with beans, but the only beans I like to eat is jelly beans. Just putting that out there for you, but the sweet potato fries were good. And I also ordered these shrimp tacos. I ate one, took the other two to go. They were really good though. They give you 3 shrimp on it per taco, so not a lot of shrimp. And famous streetcar, much like New Orleans and Savannah and places where you see streetcars. Streetcars are also very popular in Tampa, especially in the Ybor City area. Make sure you catch a streetcar and get around. And I had some fresh beers, but I did not try any beers tonight, unfortunately, because I had to drive back to Orlando, and you know, got a long day the next couple days at Disney. There goes the streetcar again. Really cool design. I like it a lot. So we're just perusing around Ybor City right now. It's a beautiful place to be, beautiful place to hang out. I really wish I could have came here on a night, non-pandemic night, and actually really gotten to see this area in which, you know, there are a lot of people. Of course, right now we're trying to avoid people, so I noticed that. See, despite the lack of people here during the pandemic, that this would really be a fun jumping area if we were in normal times, which hopefully we will be in normal times again soon. But hey, this is a really cool area though. The last time I was in Tampa, I didn't get an opportunity to go to Ybor City. So from now on, next time I go to Tampa, every time I'm coming down here to Ybor City, because I really enjoyed my experience down here at Ybor City. It's time to find a little snack right now. Let's go find some ice cream. Hey, it looks like we found the ice cream here. Let's go check it out. See if we can find some. There it is right there, the pralines and pecan. Ice cream. Just a little heads up for y'all, because I forgot to record me actually eating the ice cream after I left out of the shop. The ice cream was really good. Pralines and pecan is always my favorite. You can't go wrong with pralines and pecan. There's a lot of little breakfast joints down here too. So I mean, if you're staying in the area, there's a lot of good places to go have breakfast. Lots of restaurants. Lots of restaurants are closed. I'm thinking it's around like 8:30, 9 o'clock as I record this. So it's still pretty early to say you have so many restaurants closed. But that's kind of what this pandemic has done to all of us. A lot of places closed at early times or closed altogether. But altogether, fantastic time, fantastic night here in Ybor City. I highly recommend Ybor City to any of you that have never been before, especially after all of this gets over. I really recommend Ybor City to you. It's a fantastic spot to come hang out, enjoy yourself, and there's so much to do. Very versatile place. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, and if you have any experiences here in Ybor City, please leave them down in the comments section, or if you'd like to travel to Ybor City here in Tampa. But as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace!